Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at a small but essential component for any PC builder. These 20-piece computer case fan mounting screws. Now, I know screws might not be the most exciting topic, but having the right ones can make a world of difference when you're trying to keep your system cool and quiet. This set comes with 20 screws, which should be plenty for mounting several fans, depending on your setup. The material is rubber, which is a great choice because it helps to dampen vibrations. This is key to reducing noise from your fans, especially if you have a case that tends to resonate. Nobody wants a noisy computer, and these screws can definitely help with that. The drive system is Phillips and slotted, giving you some flexibility in terms of the tools you can use. Whether you prefer a Phillips head screwdriver or a slotted one, you're covered. The head style is flat, which allows the screws to sit flush against the fan and case, providing a clean and professional look. In terms of dimensions, each screw measures 2.5 inches in length, 0.3 inches in width, and 0.5 inches in height. These are fairly standard dimensions for PC case fan screws, so they should be compatible with most fans and cases. However, it's always a good idea to double-check the specifications of your components to ensure compatibility. One thing to note is that these screws are designed for mounting fans to the case. They may not be suitable for mounting fans to radiators or other components that require different types of screws. Always use the correct screws for each application to avoid damaging your hardware. Overall, this 20-piece set of computer case fan mounting screws is a solid choice for anyone looking to build or upgrade their PC. The rubber material, Phillips and slotted drive system, and flat head style make them a versatile and effective option for reducing fan noise and ensuring a secure fit. If you're in the market for some new fan screws, these are definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.